Hey, it's John-Marc and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw a hot dog. Well, a cartoon hot dog this lesson will be. I thought it's summertime and some of the foods that kind of be fun to draw, so here we go. This cute little hot dog with a cane and walking around with a little old-fashioned top hat. So, if you have some paper, of course you do. And I know you have a pencil too, so let's begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.